They all scatter once they finally. I was having a hard time getting that metal out of it because all the cats were all over.
Kitty! Kitty Catson! Kitty, kitty Catson!
Might take him a bit because I scared him, unfortunately.
Here he comes. Look at that! Here he comes, look! Look, look! Look at that! That was quick.
Uh-huh. That didn't take him long now, did it?
Wow! Yeah, what do you think? It's your prison yard. Oh, you went right in the envelope.
Uh-huh.
Oh my gosh. That's hilarious. Kitty cat, you better hurry. Wow, that was quick. Ah, there he's marking it already. This is my home. Oh yeah. This is going to be great.
Check the other one out now.
The other one out. Which one do I want, he says. Oh.
Because I haven't seen these in a long time.
That's hilarious. Yay! Hey cats! Getting their prison yard. Now I gotta get the rest of them to come out. Come on, kitties!
On it.